Your porn cycle. Figure it out to quit porn for good. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Whether you know it or not, if you are sucked into a compulsive porn habit, it exists on a cycle. And I call it the quadruple D cycle. It is one of dopamine. It's the tail of dopamine. And it works like this. The minute you have the thought that you're going to watch porn, that's a dopamine drip. It leads you, it pushes you into the screen, pulls you right in. Then your brain gets a dopamine deluge, a flood of dopamine that feels so great. And the longer you stay in the screen, you drown your brain in dopamine. I've seen it on lots of people's Muse brain training headband graphs. Then you move into a dopamine deficit state. So you go back into your life and you're stressed out, you're anxious, you're irritable, everything's annoying you. So then your brain tricks you with a drip and you're right back in. Figure out your cycle, minutes, hours, days, and how that cycle's impacting you, and you'll be able to get out of it for good.